Hi, I thought I would read you a book. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Look at the bird. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. Aw, look at the two birds. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do they know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Look how Piggy goes on Gerald's trunk. 1, 2. 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. It's hard to read a book this way. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching! Yay! Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Boy, that was a big yell. Look what happened to the birds and little Piggy. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? Very nice asking. No problem. It worked! Bye! Look at those cute little birds flying away in their nest. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Uh-oh, where did the birds in the nest go? There you go. I hope you liked it. Have fun.